Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and inspecting the print. Remove supports, close big gaps with thin CA or glue, and check fit. Once done, begin sanding with 120 grit to level layer lines, then follow with 220 for smoothing. This reduces primer soak and prevents bubbles. Make sure to sand in controlled passes and blow dust away between grits. Wipe the surface with 70% isopropyl and a soft brush so primer will adhere evenly and reveal remaining imperfections. You should prime now to see fine defects. Apply a thin filler primer in even passes, letting each coat tack for 10-15 minutes so you don't clog details. Once visible seams appear, use a lightweight spot putty to fill small depressions and allow it to cure fully before sanding. After sanding with 320 to 400 grit, reprime and then wet sand the final primer to 600-800 grit. This creates a uniform surface, so paint layers lay flat and glossy without orange peel. You now paint. Start with a light base coat, spraying thin passes from about 10 to 12 inches and overlapping each pass by half so you avoid runs and uneven coverage. Once the base is even, apply 2 to 3 clear coats with proper flash times and let the helmet cure 24 hours before handling. This protects the finish. If you get runs or orange peel, wait for full cure, sand gently with 1000-1500 grit, polish the area, and reapply clear. This fixes defects without harming detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.